Thank you, everybody. Thank you, media, for coming here for us today. I would be lying if I say that I'm not nervous. I am. No matter how many times you do it, you are still nervous. But I'm sorry I will be speaking in English today, but I would believe that emotions have no language, and I'll speak from all my heart tonight. This film is very, very, very special to my heart, and it'll always be. No matter how old I get, no matter how many more films I do, no matter where I am in my life, this film will always be special to me because after all these years, when I actually waited for that one opportunity, it happened for me through Vijay sir, and I will try not to cry. But this is one of the best experiences I've had in my entire life working in this industry. It was always my dream to work in Tamil films or South Indian cinema. I started with it, but I was too young. Then I thought maybe it's not going to happen for me, until one day it happened. And I'm just so grateful that it only takes one director to actually believe in you, and Vijay sir did. So I'll forever be grateful. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I'm sorry, but I will say this experience was beyond words for me. Vijay sir actually doesn't understand that he is such a wonderful man, and the experience that he gives to people on set, they carry it in their hearts forever. And it's not just me, every single person who has worked with him or every single person who knows him will say the same about him. He is not just a wonderful director, but an amazing, amazing human being that I speak of even behind his back when I speak of him. I think I never had a mentor in my life, apart from my mom. Today I will say that I have a mentor in my life, that is Vijay sir. And thank you so much. You mean the world to me. More than a director, you mean so much to me. And being I would say my first, not really my first, but my first Tamil movie, I wouldn't have asked for anything better than this, where I am getting launched by Vijay sir, but the music is by Harris sir. It's a dream, like he's a superstar. And these people are so big in front of my eyes and in front of the world that I get to be a part of this is a dream. I never would have asked for. Everything that I ever dreamed of was this, and it's happened for me. And I really hope when people watch the film, they see the emotions that we have portrayed on this film, and they carry those emotions when they move out of the film, when they leave the cinema hall. I hope they carry those emotions in their hearts. And I just hope people love the film that we have made with all our love. I've had an amazing time on sets, and I am thankful to every single person who has been a part of this film. My co-actor, Madhum, Arjun, both of them are amazing actors. Even though Madhum's is his first film, I think he's given justice to the character. No one would have done it better than you. So there's a long way to go for you. And same goes for Arjun. He says that it's his first Tamil movie. Believe me, he's an amazing actor. He needs no introduction like that. And definitely these guys are going to do way more than we think of. for them. And everybody who's been a part of the film, our DOP, Arvind sir, I wish he was here. I miss him. He's an amazing guy, and I haven't met him after the film, so I would love to see him again. And if given an opportunity, I would love to work with this team again and again and again. Like Kadal, reset, repeat. I would love to repeatedly work with this team again. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys go to cinemas on 6th of March and welcome us with open arms.